Would you like to create a very engaging Instagram story? You know what it means. When you post something on your Instagram story and it's engaging, people would want to watch your stories. That means you can easily connect with your audience. And not only that, when a lot of people watch your story, that means you'll be one of the first stories that will pop up on their screen. Hi, my name is Nike Famajura. I'm a time management coach at MOMLEADER, and in this video I want to show you 10 tips and tricks with Instagram story to make sure that you have a very engaging Instagram story that people would want to watch. Now before I go on, remember to like, share, subscribe, click the bell button for notification, and if you watch to the end, you will be powered with 10 tips that would help you to get your story out there and connect with your audience. So let's get to it. I'm going to be looking at my phone because I want to show you exactly how I do it. Now the first one is this. You can create a shared background for your stories, and I'm going to show you how that works. So if you go to your Instagram story and you just pick any picture that you want, let's pick this picture because I love it. That's me. I'm a little girl in the park. You click on this button and you take it to the second one. You pick up any color that you like. I like the color purple just because that's my brand color. You click on the color purple and you hold it down. And there you have it, the shared background. And you can type on it if you want, whatever you want. Hello, weekend, or whatever you want. Done. And you put that anywhere you want it. That's it. Done. So the second one is this, which is a cool tip. If you want to have more than one picture or photo on your Instagram story page, so what you can do is you can create like some form of a collage. And you know what? The more depth you can have on your story, the more engaging it is. So let's go to my phone and I'll show you how that works. So as always, go to your Insta story and then just click on the picture you want to have. I want to have this picture and you can move it. Oops, sorry. You can move that any way you want. You go back to your photos. There you go. Go back to your photos and you pick another picture. Let's say this picture. You copy that. And then you go back to your Insta story. Boom. It's on there. And you can just paste that anywhere you want. So you can have as many pictures as you want. And you can just write anything you want to have a lovely day or whatever you want to write on your Instagram. And you can just add on as many pictures as you want. It's up to you. And the third one is this, which is really cool. It just reminds me of when I'm much younger, and that's the eraser style. I'll show you how that works. So you go back to your Insta story, as always, and you can go to your pictures. I picked this picture, and this is really cool. Watch this. So I pick the color purple, just like I did earlier on, and I make it all blank, and I can pick the eraser button, and I can just do that. Cool, right? And then that. And done. That's it. And the next tip is the drop shadow for your text. I love this tip and it's super easy. So go back to your Instagram. Let's create a blank background. And then hold it down. Boom. Okay. And then you can type a text. So I just can type YouTube. Okay. Done. I make that really big on there. And go back and type YouTube again. And you can make that into any color that you want. I just picked the color red just because I just wanted to show you. And you just drop that on it. And that's it. It makes a drop shadow. Booyah. The next tip is you can create like some form of a slideshow on your Instagram. I love it. It's super fun, super engaging. And I'm going to show you how that works. Pretty simple. Let's get a blank page again. I just use this tip because I find it so much easier and I've gotten so used to it. Anyways, back to it. So you can say YouTube video done. When you make that big, I can move that up a little. And I just take a screenshot of that. And I usually like to crop it so it's good to go. You save that to your photos. And then you can write coming soon. Make that. Okay. Take another screenshot of that. Crop that up. Done. Save to your photos. And then I can type watch this space. This space. There you go. Put an exclamation mark just to drive it home. And doop. And then I can make that really huge. Okay, and I do a screenshot of that, crop it up as well. Done. Save to photos. And what I do is I go back to my pictures. I do multiple pics. 1, 2, 3. Next. And there you have it. So when anybody's looking at it on your Insta story, it's going to show this way. So it's going to come YouTube video, coming soon, watch this space. And you can add your emojis or whatever, anything else you want to add on it. That's it. Sometimes you go on your Instagram and you see someone else's post on your feed and you completely love that. And you think, you know what? My audience is going to love this. And this is what I do. Pretty simple. I share that post on my Insta story, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So back to the phone, and I'm just going to pick the first one that pops off. Lovely office, actually. So I take a screenshot of that and I just crop it up. There you go. Done. I save it to my photos. I go to my Insta story. I put that up, and I also make sure I tag the person on it just to let them know that I love what you just did. Done. And this is pretty cool. I like tagging people in white because that way it doesn't make it too clustered, right? And done. That's it. The next tip is you can actually get more colors with your text on Instagram. So you know the little circles at the bottom? There's a way you can access more colors for your Insta text. Is it called Insta text? No, your text for your Instagram story. And I want to show you how that works. So back to the phone. So if I pick this and I just make the background color just like that, boom, done. And then I type a text. Hello. Let's just do that one. And I just wanted it to be in a different color. There's not the ones on the screen at the bottom, not this ones. What I do is, let's say I want to make it, I don't know, I just go into the color. Let's pick a color. So there you go. I can just move it around to whatever color I want. And that's pretty cool. And you can have access to more colors than Instagram stories offering you, right? That's it, done. The next tip is you can actually swipe left or right for justification, and I just show you how that works. Pretty simple too as well. Let's go back to an Insta story. So that, and let's just hold that down. Boom, my papu is back. And then I can write, I'm recording the latest YouTube video and say excited. Okay. And you can just swipe it to go, justify to the right, or you can make it a setter, or you can take it all the way to the other side. Pretty simple, just swipe, and that's it. And my second to the last tip, love this one. You can actually add a photo to your post, and it's not the regular way, and I'll just show you. So back to the phone. So let's pick this, watch this space, just because. And what you can do is you can pick this camera icon right here. Oops, and my picture comes up. So I can take a picture. And you know what? You can move it anywhere. You can make it bigger, smaller. It's up to you. You can use it to cover that. And this is cool. When you tap on it, it just makes it more defined. And you can put that there. That's it. And my last tip, actually, I don't have to show that one to you on the phone, because basically what I do is whenever I know I'm going to have a super busy week, I pre-batch my Insta story videos. So what I do is over the weekend, I record some few videos where I share some tips and tricks on whatever I want to share about my business, and I batch that, and every day I just post that on Insta story, and that will save you time, which you're gonna love. So that's it. I have shown you 10 tips and tricks for you to have a very engaging Insta story. And not only that, there are things that would save you time, because I love saving time. A minute there, 2 minutes there, those are extra time you can use to do something else that you love. Now remember to like, share, click the bell button for notification after you subscribe. And this is the cool thing. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and tricks for using the Google Calendar, because I know we all use that, and there's a way you can save more time and learn some of the features that you didn't even know existed. That's it. I'll see you around.